Hi there everyone. Today we'll be talking about custom sorting, and using an example you'll understand what it means. Given before us is a series of data, and that is different month, amount against it. Now let's say I want to sort this as per the order of calendar month sequence, that is January to December. How do I do so? Because that doesn't conform to the standards of A to Z or Z to A. So I go and choose the data, choosing any one cell, Control A. I go to data, I click on sort. Now from the previous exercise, I had these earlier sort options which I'm going to delete right now so as to start from scratch. I go to add level, this button which adds a level which allows me to choose month, sort by month. But notice this time I'm not going to pick up the order of A to Z and Z to A. Instead, I will be taking this option called custom list. Now when I go to custom list, there are four predefined options: the sequence of sun, month, the short form of the days, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, the full form. Similarly, for month also you have the option which you cannot add or delete. Now, since my data belongs to a sequence of months whereby the month names are in full, I'll be choosing this option saying January, February, March, April, and I'll say OK. So now the month will be sorted as per the sequence of January, February, March, and so on and so forth. As I press OK, let's see what's going to happen. Yep, this is what I was expecting. January, there is no name of February, hence February has been skipped. March, April, May, June, and so on and so forth. So this is a very easy and basic form of custom sorting. However, if you want to populate your own list of customized sequence of names, you can do so. And this I am going to illustrate through an example. If I go to exercise 2, you notice I have the sequence of north, west, south, east all mixed up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose the data. I'm going to go to sort. The sequence that I want to get this data sorted is in the news format, NEWS, north, east, west, and south. So I say sort by the zone, that's the heading zone, and the order I'm going to pick custom list. Now only for the one time you need to define the sequence of entries. This stores that in a common dictionary which you can use anytime you want in future if you are using the same PC. So I'm going to put north. It is not case sensitive, but for my aesthetic appeal of the data, I'm going to keep it as north with N capital, thereafter east, enter, west, enter, and thereafter south. Now, if I happen to make a mistake in the spelling, this is not going to help me sort the data correctly. So I'm going to make sure the spellings are all correct. Once you have defined the sequence in this manner, please make sure that you add it to the custom list options box on the left. Once I press OK, it says zone wise, the order that you are looking forward to is north, east, west, south. As I press OK, yep, here you go. This is neither alphabetical order or reverse alphabetical order. In fact, it is in exact sequence you had wanted. And I've seen people use this on occasions where they might have to sort the list based on designation. For example, in a company, I want when the data gets sorted, maybe the director is first, followed by senior manager, then manager, and then finally associate. So what I'm going to do is, I have, for the purpose of convenience, I have already written these 4 words out here, 4 phrases. I'm going to copy that from inside the cell. Please note that I am not copying the cell. Nope. I am copying the content inside the cell so that it gets easily copy pasted towards the sort custom list box. So after having copied, I press escape. I go to the data, choose this. I go back to sort and I say, please sort by the designation, not name. And in the order, I'm going to go to custom list. I'm going to put my cursor in the right hand side box which says list entries and I'm going to paste as it is. So either you put comma differentiators or you put the names in different line items. Both are acceptable. Just make sure the spelling is correct. So as I add it, now you notice it's in the exact similar lines as we had in north, east, west, south case. So director first, senior manager, manager, and followed by associate. So I'm going to sort the entire list by the designation of the order: director, senior manager, manager, and associate. I press OK. Yep, I have it as per my requirement. So similarly, if you're working with different sections of tax deducted at source, or TDS as it's called in the Indian law, You can also sort the list by 194J first, 194I for those who are working with such sections of TDS under which the tax is deducted at source.